And then I will start what is artificial intelligence. In short form, we call it AI. And AI enables computer to learn, reason, and perform complex tasks that traditionally require human intelligence. So when we talk about AI, artificial intelligence, we are using computer to do something which a human being can do, maybe in a better way. Now for computer to do that something that human being can do, we must feed data. We must train it slowly, and it will be able to do what? To do exactly what a human being can do. So from understanding natural language to recognize pattern in visual data, AI system continuously evolve and improve through experience. Now we have a branch called NLP, natural language processing. What happens now? Nowadays, I know most of us, we are using a smartphone. Nitapeana a very quick example, and then I will relate it to graphic design. Now, what's happening in the field of AI? Most of the applications are embedded with AI. Ninaanza na Google. When we go to Google nowadays, you can even voice type, and then the Google will search whatever you are voice typing. The same way, we can voice type, describe the design that we want the AI or the computer to generate, and the design will come out. Today, AI powers every technology we interact with. And then we have the voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. That are some of the voice assistants. We have something called text to voice, and even we have voice to text. That is, we have the system that can convert a voice to text and even images to text. Now, what is happening nowadays? People are not typing. You may be having hard copies, and then you want a soft copy. You can run your document in AI application, and then it fetches the text. So you will be seeing more of that. So in this design world, AI is transforming creative process by automating routine tasks, generating novel idea and argument, human creativity in ways previously unimaginable. Now, what is happening in the field of AI? You cannot imagine, because we are able to automate most of the tasks that we used to struggle and do them. Nowadays, they can be done very easily. So defining AI in graphic design. So we have the intelligence assistants. Here we are talking about leveraging intelligence algorithm to assist designers in creating, editing, and refining content with unprecedented speed and precision. Now, what is happening in the field of design? Nowadays, we don't struggle with the publisher or even the standalone application to do design. We are using a tool which are AI embedded, and then we come up with a design very fast and precision design without guessing. You will be able to see them shortly. Then we have the aspect of machine learning power. So we have something called machine learning, and then we have deep learning. This tool uses machine learning to understand design principles, automate repetitive tasks, and generate creative suggestions based on fast data. Now, what is happening? So when we talk about machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, all are sub-branches of artificial intelligence. Now, this machine learning nowadays, they are able to learn. You can feed whatever you want to generate and be able to interpret what you are fed and give you an output. Like, tutafanya example later on. You can generate an image, you can generate a video, you can feed the machine with a text or a set of data, and it will be able to generate that data. Then kuna enhanced capability. AI expands whatever designer can achieve, dramatically accelerating workflow while unlocking entirely new creative possibility. So what is happening nowadays, because we are using AI to design, we are not struggling, we are not scratching our head. We are able to come up with a very good designs that are presentable, that we can sell, that we can promote our businesses, do marketing and the like. Then the key features of AI, graphic design tools. We have automated design. The automated design, we talk about the instant retouch images, optimize complex layout, correct color imbalances, and apply consistent style across multiple assets. So what happens when we talk about automated design? In a normal situation, if you are a graphic designer or you have a skill in doing graphics, any design should have at least 3 colors. So when you see any design which has more than 3 colors, hiyo ijatengenezwa na designer. With the aspect of AI, it can balance colors and even the layouts. When we go to practical, you'll be able to see. Then we have generative design. So when you talk about generative design, create entirely new visual element or intelligent. You remove unwanted object using simple text prompt, enabling rapid iteration and experimentation. Now, when we talk about generative, wacha nitumie example. Nowadays, what is happening in the field of camera? Hata camera nowadays iko AI embedded. Like now, mnaweza chukuliwa picha mkiwa wengi, and then you are able to extract yourself from the list of photos na ubaki peke yako. Wenye tuko na the recent smartphone. Now, when we talk about prompt, so we have several AI-powered platforms. We have ChatGPT and others. So whatever you feed, when you feed the correct details, you are able to get what maybe correct output. And then sometimes you are given suggestion. When we come in the field of design, sometimes we generate photos and you will be able to see, you can generate image, you can generate video and the like. And it will depend with the prompt that you will feed to that tool. Then we have image analysis. So with AI, it can automatically identify, categorize, and tag visual elements within asset library, making organization and discovery effortless, even without thousands of files. Now, when we talk about image analysis, nitapeana example, what is happening in the field of health. I think nimeona Gertrude. So ukichukuliwa hiyo x-ray and then ipitishwe kwa some of the hizo computer vision element, they are able to detect some of the spots na zikupe output. What I'm trying to say, using AI tool, it can analyze image and give output about the image, draw pattern about the image very easily. Then we have text to image. So nowadays, when we go to our social media nowadays, you can even create image very fast. When you go to TikTok, when you go where you can text and transform your text to image. The same way, when we come to AI, you can prompt a text and then it generates image that represent your text. We will be doing several examples on that. And then we have how AI transform the creative workflow. a minute. So we have dramatic time saving. So when we talk about time, time is money. And using AI, something that you could design with 2 hours, within 5 minutes, you can design it and maybe send it to a customer. So with AI tool, you can very fast do what? Reduce the tedious task that you can do with other platform of designing. Then we have the rapid experimentation. Generate dozen of design variation from a simple prompt in a minute. So when we say prompts, in simple language, tukitafuta kitu kwa ChatGPT, that text that we write, ndio tunaita prompt. So tukitumia simple prompt, we are able to explore and come up with a very quick design, which is powered by AI. Then elevated designer role. That is, designer role evolved from manual to creative director. Refining, that is, as a designer, siku hizi tumeacha even kutumia Adobe product. We are using this tool because we can do what? We can generate images, we can edit images very fast. And then we have the popular AI tools for graphic designers. I think you were able to see them. We have Adobe Firefly. This one is generally used to generate images and even text effect. We will practically interact with them. Then we have the Canva AI. Then we have the Midjourney. And then we have the real world impact and adoption. And then we can see 65% of the companies are using generative AI. Time is being saved, and then the production speed is 3 times. The key benefit, organization reports, maybe after adopting the AI, we have the maintaining consistency, brand identity across all the touch points. When we say consistency, so for example, every company has a brand. Brand comes as a logo, colors, and the like. So you can make sure every design you are doing as a company, it accompanies your brand element. Then we have dramatically accelerating content production. So nowadays we are using AI to generate content. Atufikiri very fast, you can prompt and then you get a content, and even you can convert this content to a video very fast using AI. Then we have the reducing operational cost, improving output quality. When we say operational cost, nowadays you find companies are not hiring graphic designer. They are able to generate their designs, or they are able to manipulate their design using AI tools, and then empowering and designers to create professional material. Then addressing concern and limitation. I hope Dan is back. Dan, umerudi?
Yes, I'm back.
Okay. So to second last slide, I think. So then you can pick it from here, addressing concerns and limitation. I will project for you.
Yes, kindly do. Sorry for that. There was a power outage, so it flashed too. Kama imekata internet, sikujua. So sorry for that. I'm back. Now we talk of addressing concerns and limitations. And someone is asking him or her that will AI replace human creativity? Of course, no. It's here just as a supporting system, and you should not worry about AI replacing the human creativity. What it does is just enhances and bringing the aspect of creativity and visualizations very good. So we are not here to get replaced. Now, the need for human judgment. AI outputs require careful human oversight to ensure authenticity, appropriateness, and ethical use. So, and you have seen that, especially the Gen Z having a problem with the government, simply because someone used the AI for the wrong purpose. So there's need for human judgment. Was this an AI video? Was this an AI image? Was it generated by an AI platform? So there's need for human judgment. And the third one is collaborations, not replacement. Yeah, most of the companies, what they have done, they haven't replaced the systems. They have collaborated. For example, if you open a system like or a software like CapCut, you will see there is an integration with the AI. Canva, there is still an integration with AI. Adobe Photoshop, the same. So the future of design lies in collaborative partnership between AI and human designers. So if the system is collaborating between this system and another system, what about the human? You also need to bridge the gap by collaborative partnership. Now, AI handles technical execution while humans provide vision, context, and creative direction. For example, today, if I wanted to prompt ChatGPT to create a Maasai boy starting with one leg in Masai Mara, I'm the one who is carrying that vision. I'm the one who is carrying that context. I'm the one carrying that creativity. The work of the ChatGPT is just to prompt and create an image together. So that is the purpose, the reason why AI for graphic designs will never replace a human. But of course, those people who are not willing to upgrade, to upskill, will be replaced immediately. Now, when we talk of, I'm done, go to the next slide. When we talk of getting started with AI in graphic design, I always advise youth, starts where you are, and not only youth, all professionals. Yet you are a student, you are an employee, you are an entrepreneur, start where you are. And that's why today you joined this AI for graphic design bootcamp. That's where you are. Now, delegate strategically. Don't delegate everything. Maybe you are interested in that company as a graphic designer. So tomorrow, when they want a poster, don't just prompt ChatGPT to create that for you, but delegate strategically. Now, the future is AI. Number 3 is explore creative prompting. And number 4, stay informed and ethical. Stay informed and ethical. Get to understand these systems, the platforms, the AI, and then use it ethically together. So that is how I advise you when it comes to getting started with AI for graphic design. We go to the last slide. And the future is AI. Enhanced creativity, impact. Then it is your powerful partner. You cannot deny that. Then the human plus machine excellence, and you make the best. You bring out the best aspect, the best skill, the best knowledge database when it comes to the AI enhancing creativity. So I'll stop at that point. We go straight to the practical part of it. And Chris will be taking you through Canva, because we said 10% Fiori, the rest is graphics. If time will allow, we shall do what we call faceless content creation. That is, if time allows. So Chris, you can take maybe 1